I'm Lorraine Scheepers and I'm doing my honours degree in visual communication with a focus on illustration. And today we came to Braamfontein to do an installation at Doubleshot Coffee Shop because the whole focus of the project is on public art and the effect that public art has on urban spaces. So as you can see with the installation behind me, the whole thing is about it being very bright and very colourful, and for it to be able to attract attention. We really want to bring a sense of colour and a sense of fun into what is generally perceived as a grey city space. Although Braam is not necessarily that much of a grey city space, the majority of city spaces are, and that's what the whole honours is about battling the way that city spaces are constructed. I've also added some white graffiti elements to it so that it enhances the natural feel of the city, and so that it doesn't feel like it's an unnatural part of it. It should still flow into the vibe of the city and into the feel of the city. So my lecturers made the suggestion that a public art piece, like an actual public art piece, would be a really good idea because of the fact that the whole honours is about public art. And then I decided, well, why not go to Braam, talk to people, and it was really great, the fact that it had so much interaction, and that's also an important part of the honours, is facilitating interaction between people where there wouldn't normally be that kind of connection. So spoke to some owners around the area, and the owner here was very, very gracious, and he was very excited about the idea of having art here. He's had art here previously. So it really happened very naturally. It was a very easy flow in the end, getting the space, and the fact that I was able to use windows gave the whole project a very nice duality, because you experience the artwork from the outside but also from within, and it changes the way that you perceive the city once you sit inside, and that again facilitates even more interaction with the city space and with people entering the coffee shop. And then I'd also like to thank Signarama in Centurion. They were really, really great with figuring out how we're going to put the project together and helping me figure out the printing part of it and getting the right colours figured out, and they were really very great in assisting with the whole project. Okay, cool.